Hello friends, today we are going to learn how we can decorate our house when there is festival. Okay, any festival. So I had taken this mango leaves and flowers, whichever flowers I have. I had cut some cardboards. Okay, you can take any shape. This is a waste box cardboard. So I had cut it any size, you can do it. Chalo, we will, and I will show you one also in a different way. So first take this way, make this way like a samosa or a cone, hold it like this, put this inside. I'm just going to cut the thing and this way, and then take a needle and thread should be a little bit stiff and strong enough. Okay, now one flower, see, again I'm showing you, I'm just cutting the thing. Now fold like this. Okay, you will get the cone. Then just fold this way and this way. When we are folding here, there only you have to put the needle, so it will be stiff. See, I'm just removing like this and coming from upside. Our garland is ready. See, this way. Okay, this is one. Now next one we will see. I have taken the leaves of mango trees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, with the help of the stapler, we need a stapler. Now see, just fold like this. Okay, you can cut this stem also, small one if you want, otherwise you can keep like that. Put like this and staple it. Okay, same thing we are going to do, and try to find the same height leaves, so you will get it. Okay, try to find the same height. See, when you are putting, see that you are matching this one. Okay, this distance, and then put the stapler. Okay, be careful while doing the staplering. If you want, you can take a needle and the thread, and you can do also that way also, if you are not comfortable with the stapler. Now this is done. Now what you have to do, take a needle and the thread. See, now put in the center. Okay, remove this, take the flower, put again in the other holder, otherwise it will. Now see, once you tighten up this, now from the back I'm just going to remove this way. Okay, see, again put it and bring till the end. You can add some small leaves also like this, folding like this in between one flower, or you can make the triangle also. See, this way your one more garland is ready for the decoration. Now we will use this and this, I will show you. For this, again we are going to make this cone. Okay, this time I'm going to cut very cut to cut. I want proper cone. Okay, here I'm going to staple it. This will be going in the center. Okay, this way. Okay, and we are going to put flower. For this, I'm going to swing from here and I will attach this. See, very small flower. If you have very tiny one flower, first put it this way and put here. Okay, this way. Fixed it. Okay, now we are going to arrange the flower this way, and we are going to swing with the needle. Arrange your flower first and then swing it. See this? I'm just putting the needle here, getting up, okay, putting the flower in this, and then again putting the this way. I had made the cone and we are going to attach the cone, okay, and one flower. This way we will complete this. This way you can decorate your, see, this way one we have finished with this. Now with the triangle, let's see, I had collected a same size small, so we are going to arrange this way, and we are going to staple it. Flower, chalo, we will staple this first. Okay, now after swinging the thread here, I'm going to put the flower like this, okay. Then add the flowers. Okay, this way we can just the door hanging. We had done this. See, I had added some leaves also here. See, so this way you can do your decoration for your festival, any festival. So enjoy your festival, be safe and enjoy your craft, and take care, be safe.